actually been parked for about an hour. First time driving in the snow, man. Wasn't that bad. Parked here at the Fort Smith terminal, but I had my first time driving in the snow, man. I left home around like 3:30. That was a bad idea. I should have left earlier. I had to take my shower and stuff. Put my landing gear and stuff. I'll fix that in the morning. Hopefully it ain't iced out in time. Yeah. I had left home 3:30 p.m. and oh, this still gonna be iced out in the morning. Yeah, man, I keep repeating myself. I left home at 3:30 p.m. Man, it was pouring down snow. It wasn't too bad once I had left, but once I got to like the Little Rock area, around like 5:30, once it was getting dark, it got bad, man. I'll show y'all the footage once I edit and upload this video, but it got bad. Once I got past Little Rock, it got better because the snow stopped coming down. It stopped snowing, basically. It didn't get icy. The roads got clearer. I didn't know this before, but now I know. They have snow plowers that plow the left lanes. And throughout Little Rock and the Fort Smith area, kind of similar to like how Chicago, Indiana, how them states do up north. Yeah, I didn't know that. My first time seeing it. But yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought. I know it'd get worse whenever I finally go to Chicago and the snow and stuff like that. But it wasn't so bad. Man, I've been parked for like an hour. I just been up on the phone. But I'm about to eat. I'm about to take a shower first, then eat. And I will see y'all in the morning when I'm getting that secure delivering in Tulsa. Man, I got a headache. I just arrived here. I got Clockner Metals again. Back here, show y'all what I was talking about right quick. Get my paperwork. Go check in and stuff. Hopefully there's people in here because I'm about to show y'all, man. Because I forgot today was MLK Day. As you can see, not people out here, but we got to find out. I believe there is because I see my truck get loaded, so let's find out, man. See y'all when I'm securing. It's cold. Ew. Really ain't that cold, man. It's just the wind. The wind make it a whole lot worse. Y'all see what I did to it this morning. It's gonna keep getting like that. But she told me to pull up to the ramp. So I'm about to do that. So real quick, if y'all watched my last video when I was in Tulsa, this right here, this turn coming to Clockner Metals in Tulsa, you gotta see it. That's very many drivers cleared these. They take out that pole and hit the rail, spark out their trucks and that. They just opened the door, so see how this goes. Man, so I just got done untarping, unsecuring, getting unloaded. My core, not the core, the tarp was froze, man. Like, I'm glad this is indoors because I would have been in and out of my truck warming my hands up if I was outside. But man, it got that tarp was froze. Felt like my cradle was nailed down to the trailer. But luckily I had a friction pad under it that made the process more easier to strap down my cradle for my next load. Yeah, it felt like the cradle was nailed down to the trailer. But it's only gonna get worse from here on out, man. I probably won't record anymore. I gotta go to the North Little Rock terminal from here because my windshield washer fluid won't come out for some reasons when my windshield looks like that. But from the snow and ice yesterday or last night. But yeah, man, like, subscribe, comment, share. Appreciate y'all, man, and I will see y'all in the next pickup. Till then, I'm out, man.